How to get Temu coupon bundle. Temu is giving away $100 worth of bundle, and if you want to get it, follow my lead. So first things first, we have this link right here. This is actually very important. You are just going to go ahead and click this link. It is available in the description or the comment section of this video, so go ahead and click it. I'm going to go ahead and click this one as well, just like so. And as you can see, we are redirected here, and it says scratch to win the prize, and that is the prize. So this is $100 worth of coupon bundle. I'm going to go ahead and click download Temu to get it. Alright, here I am. I'm going to go ahead and install it just like so. Okay, so we are already done installing it. I'm just going to go ahead and open it just like so. And there I am. I'm going to go ahead and sign in order for me to complete this one. So I'm going to go ahead and proceed with one of my accounts in here. Say for example this one. And there you go. As you can see, we have now received the $100 worth of vouchers, and that is definitely amazing. If you want to get yours, go ahead and click the link in the description box or the comment section, or again, you can go ahead and use our referral code in order for you to get a special discount of 30%. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.